Hi guys, today we're going to learn about section 2 using the motion blocks and chapter 3 moving things around. The basis for Scratch is made of multicolored blocks here, as you have seen in the Scratch programming environment. These blocks mainly use blue, violets, light violets, yellow, orange, light blue, green, orange and pink blocks, and here the blue and here the blue block, which is also called motion block, to move sprites around this page in the Scratch application. We need to learn how to work with motion card blocks. The motion blocks control the sprite placement, the direction, the rotation, and the movement. The motion block contains different plates, and you can try by clicking. You can try each of them by clicking and see the change happening to the sprite in the stage area. Scratch provides access to the three motion blocks here, that move sprites and rotate them on their axis. First, the move steps. It gives instructions to the sprite to move 10 steps forward. Let's click and check. Look at the stage area, and the sprite is moving 10 steps forward. The next one is turn, and this motion block gives instruction to the sprite to turn 15 degrees clockwise. Let's click and see the change. Yeah, look at the sprite. It's turning forward. Okay. And the next one is, it gives instructions to the sprite to turn 15 degrees anti-clockwise. This one clockwise, anti. Okay. As I show you now are the motion blocks plates used to instruct the sprite to move and rotate by the given amount in the white space or in the stage area here. And you can also change the values in the white space to the amount you'd like to instruct the sprite to change. For instance, if you want your sprite to move 50 steps forward or turn around by 90 degrees, just changing the numbers in the white space is enough. Okay, here let me give you an activity. First, bring this motion block in the script editor here, and bring this turn here, this motion block again, and another motion block here. And then in the first one, just change the number to 100, and here change the number to 45, and here make it to move 200 steps backward. Let's make it negative 200, and this one 180 degrees anti-clockwise, and click each block. First this one, move 100 steps, and this one move 20 steps backward, and this one turn 45 degrees, and this one anti-clockwise 180 degrees. when you finish this one, actually you can delete this one by clicking the right click button, or you can also make it like this. Okay, the next one is setting sprite direction. Sprite provides access to the two motion blocks that can be used to point a sprite direction. A sprite in a specified direction, or to point a sprite towards a mouse pointer or a specified sprite. The first one is point in direction 90 degrees. Here, this white area, you can change the number if it is white. This gives instruction to the sprite to point in 90 degrees. Let's click it. Yeah. And the next one is point towards mouse pointer. This gives instruction to the sprite to point towards the mouse pointer. When we click it, it's only mouse pointer, so when we click it, the sprite looks to the mouse pointer like this. Coordinate system. At this point, you should know that what coordinate system is in order to understand how the rest of the motion block plates work. Every sprite has its own position on stage. To manage them well, you need to first get familiar with the coordinate system of the stage. First, let's change the sprite to its place. Okay, the coordinate system on stage is like the central coordinate of the stage line is 0, 0. Like I make the x and the y axis 0, so the sprite is in the middle now. And with the horizontal direction as x-axis, and the vertical direction as y. Okay, divided by the central coordinate, the right part of x, or if it's positive number, x-axis is positive, or x-axis plus, and the left negative axis, or x-axis minus sign. The upper part is, or the upper part of y-axis divided by the central coordinate, it's called positive y-axis, and the lower part is negative y-axis. Yeah, knowing the coordinate systems is the essential step of operate the position of the sprite on stage. Scratch provides access to 3 motion blocks that move a sprite to a specified coordination location on the stage, or move a sprite to location currently occupied by the mouse pointer or another sprite, or slide a sprite to a specified coordination position over a specified number of seconds. Okay, the first one is go to x was whatever number, and y any number. Here okay, this instructs the sprite to move to a specified coordinate location on this page. Like if you wanted the sprite to go x negative 29, and here we didn't finish this chapter, but the timing has gone too long, so we should stop here. And make sure you subscribed and liked the video.